Managing Google Ads for clients just got easier with Vendasta. If you're a marketer or agency looking to simplify the process, you're in the right place. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to leverage Vendasta to streamline your Google Ads management and even get an exclusive extended free trial for this powerful software. Now, let's dive into how to manage Google Ads for clients using Vendasta. First off, Vendasta allows you to access Google Ads right from their platform, making it easy to handle multiple clients in one place. You can set up and manage campaigns directly within the system, saving you time and reducing the hassle of switching between different platforms. Next thing, Vendasta gives you the ability to create custom reports for each client. These reports are not only visually appealing, but also highly detailed, giving your clients a clear view of their ad performance. Whether you're focusing on clicks, impressions, conversions, or return on ad spend, you can pull up exactly what they need to see. The third thing that sets Vendasta apart is its ability to optimize campaigns. The platform includes built-in tools that help you manage your bids, keywords, and ad placements in real time. This ensures that your campaigns stay within budget while reaching the right audience at the right time. Plus, its automated optimization features save you hours of manual work. Now, let's talk about the fourth thing. Vendasta integrates seamlessly with Google's AdWords, meaning you can create campaigns directly within Vendasta and push them to Google Ads without any extra steps. No need to jump back and forth between platforms. It's all handled for you within the Vendasta ecosystem. And the fifth thing? If you're working with a lot of clients, you'll appreciate the multi-client dashboard. You can quickly switch between client accounts, monitor campaigns in real time, and make adjustments on the fly. It's perfect for agencies who need to manage several accounts at once without missing a beat. So, by now, you can see why Vendasta is such a great choice for managing Google Ads for clients. From easy setup to comprehensive reporting and optimization tools, Vendasta does it all. And the best part? You can use it completely free through the first link below, where we've partnered with Vendasta to offer you an exclusive bonus. Before we wrap up, remember that this platform has everything you need to handle Google Ads for clients with ease. From campaign management to reporting and optimization, it's designed to save you time and improve performance. So don't wait. Check out the link in the description to get your extended free trial and start managing Google Ads more efficiently today. That's all for today's video. If you've been wondering how to manage Google Ads for clients using Vendasta, now you have all the tools to succeed.